Okay, now we're going to go into the explanation of what project you'll be doing. So your cultural garden project. For this project, you will research one country and its important plants and flowers. You'll use Padlet to create multiple slides, and we'll explain what those slides have. Now, the slides do not have to be in this exact order, you just have to make sure you have them all. So, first, we want the information about your assigned country. Second, a collage of pictures showing the plants/flowers that you've chosen. Finally, facts about each plant/flower based on your research. Now you want to remember to look for plants that are 1. Used in traditional foods, 2. Important in celebrations or ceremonies, 3. Native to the region, and 4. Used for medicine or other special purposes. Now, if you struggle to find a couple of examples, we have some listed here. So here are some famous cultural gardens from around the world. So we have Japanese gardens. So they feature carefully arranged rocks, water bridges, and plants like cherry blossoms and maple trees. Next, we have English gardens, which are known for the colorful flowers, lawns, and hedges with roses, daffodils, and lavender. Mexican gardens, filled with bright colors, cacti, and flowers like dahlias and marigolds. Chinese gardens include ponds, pavilions, and plants like bamboo, peonies, and lotus flowers. And finally, Indian gardens, which feature fragrant flowers like jasmine and marigold used in religious ceremonies. So those are just a couple of the examples that you could choose from. Obviously, we have many countries around the world, so you will either be able to choose or we can assign you a country to work on. Next, we want to go into the researching tips. So, when researching plants for your country, you can look for the national flower of your country, plants used in traditional cooking, plants that grow naturally in your country's climate, plants used in special celebrations or holidays, or plants with special meanings or stories. So those are just a couple of things you can search for. Obviously, there's much more, but this is a good start for you guys. Next, we have listed a couple of helpful resources for you to research. So obviously, library books about your country are a great resource. Kid-friendly websites about plants and cultures. You can also ask the teacher for help in finding good sources. And you want to make sure you look for pictures that clearly show what the plants look like. Remember to write down where you found your information. So if you're going to put any of the information in the Padlet slides, make sure that you list where you found it. And then here's our example of what it'll look like. So there you have your country with the first block of slides. You have your country and then you have 6 plants/flowers. Now you can choose which ones you want to go with, but you have to have 6. And then for each of the 6, you'll have the name of the plant or flower, and then you'll have a description on the side, including a photo. Now you want to make sure you do this for all 6 of the plants or flowers that you decide to go with. Next, we have the mood board. So this is also sort of a collage that you want to make for, again, each 6 of the plants or flowers that you've chosen. And what we want to see here is photos of them being used or photographed in the culture. And then you can also do artistic photos as well. And then painted or drawn on photos work as well. We just want a big combination of that for the mood board.